Hi, my name's December Quinlan. I'm from California, and I hope you enjoy the stock review today.
You guys rock.
Traders, what's going on? It's Jeremy, Alexander Newsome with reallifetrading.com. We have been crushing it, December and I, over the last 2 days, and just really working hard on the market, some strategies, some approaches. She's doing great. The SPY today, a little bit of a new black crow candle. So again, we're at some resistance. I would just love to death a nice little pullback into here, and again, just some kind of some chop, some consolidation. I don't know if that's for sure what we're going to get, but that would just be a great thing. Here's the weekly chart, right? Weekly chart, strong hammer type of candle. So if we do trade sideways this week and we don't break higher, then I would assume that next week or the week after will just be very bullish overall if we just kind of keep on cranking it out. Otherwise, we'll see. But right now, SPY hanging out, doing its thing. Market obviously bullish. Trends obviously bullish. Buy the dips and play it safely. Let's go look at some swing trades that look to be setting up, and I'll give you a nice review in 7 minutes or less. SLCA weekly chart, not doing much, but the daily chart does look a little bit cool. I will be keeping a very close eye on this little animal. Looks like a potential inverted head and shoulders pattern could be shaping up. I like the close of yesterday. I like the volume. I like the higher lows. I like the lower highs. A little bit of a cute candle. So I'm going to keep an eye on this little guy to see if it can pop bullish. Here's your exponential moving averages. So you have room in between the 10 and the 20. The 20 and the 50 actually. And I would just watch that, see if it can pop and see if we can snag some quick bill paying money on it. SCOR, this one, too bad. So I'm going to have to cancel this trade. I set up this trade officially in the afternoon room Friday, and the entry was 414, and the low of the day, 415. So we missed a 15% move by a penny. Today was a day of pennies for me. I not only missed this trade by a penny, also missed AMD, which would have been a nice 2R trade. Missed that one by a penny. Missed Tesla by 11 cents. There's a few great trades missed by a penny today. But ComScore, nice bounce, good volume, loving it, looking good, happy about that. CGC, ladies and gentlemen, if you are new to real life trading, if you're new to gaps, if you're new to my style of how I do things, print out this chart and study it. This is a perfect gap, and go. Indecision candle, clearing recent resistance, perfect gap, just ridiculous. I set up an entry and it just never pulled back and just crushed all day long. This is the 2-minute chart. Kind of kicking myself for not catching that pullback right there. But a lot of traders really played this one extremely well. So congratulations for all of those traders who did snag this one. Our two big winners in the trading room, however, were Macy's. We did catch this one and we did play this one like an absolute boss. And our entry was $14.90. Our stop was down here at $14.60, which is a 30-cent risk. And if you're wondering how we picked $14.90, check it out. High wave candle right there. Once the stock broke above there, we used that to enter $14.90 by $14.60 and just snagged a beautiful trade on Macy's. Tesla was the other very nice winner. Tesla had a tremendous follow through and continuation from Friday's gap and go. So you had a gap and go on Friday. You had some good bullish pressure throughout most of the day and just a nice little continuation. So I'm really keeping an eye on Tesla to continue higher. Nice little resistance here. And boy, oh boy, if we can break 345 at any point this week on Tesla, I don't know why we don't get to 380 before the end of the year. It's very possible, at least. Tesla, strong trend, looks nice. I like it. Just a few more. Facebook doing its thing. I like Facebook. There's a lot of traders in some shares on Facebook a little bit longer term. Absolutely serendipitously splendid candle here on December 3rd. Very nice hammer. Nice little lower shadow. Got some good traps in there. Just an incredible spot to buy Facebook above the high of that candle. And we're just slowly creeping up. 215 covered call for December will expire. Worth listening for those in shares. We can do it again. JD.com. So JD.com getting a little bit of a bullish pop today. Got a covered call for 35 for regular December. And I'll be looking at adding to some positions on JD at some point in time. But I really do love this weekly chart so much. just ecstatic about this hammer candle. Great retest, great candle, nice looking trend. Quite bullish on JD.com. And last but not least, 3D printing. There's a few traders in 3D printing. I'm in at 877. A little bit of a candle, hanging out, doing its thing. And so my overall thought process is if 3D printing can close above 885 at some point this week or next, then we should be good to go for some bouncing out of there. Weekly chart just kind of looks like an inverted head and shoulders pattern. We shall see, but I do love this consolidation. And obviously the break could happen in either direction, bullish or bearish. If it does break on the downside, I'll be protecting with some put options. And if it breaks higher, hooray! All right, ladies and gentlemen, well, if you want any stocks reviewed or requested, just post them in the comments section below. I will get to them on Wednesday. And until then, love life, live life, and trade it. Bye.